Welcome to the Global Stampin' video hop. This is Esther from Stampin' Star Creations. I had a bit of an issue with my video, so hopefully you can put up with the funny dimensions of the video. This month's theme is embossing. So I'm coming in with the two-tone floral stamp set to create like a floral arrangement onto my paper first before I then go ahead and emboss. So I'm using Daffodil Delight and coming in with crushed curry to highlight those flowers, and then using Balmy Blue for these smaller blue flowers. And then I'm going to come in with Pool Party and I'm just going to highlight those with the second stamp. And these just really make them pop and bring them to life by adding that second layer of the aligned image to your stamping. So once that's all done, then we're going to start introducing some more smaller flowers. So coming in again with just the Pool Party colour, and I like the idea of these flowers kind of dangling down like falling flowers, and then it looked a bit odd not to have some up here, so I'm gonna have some sticking out the side. So much for my falling flowers. And then I like the idea of the colour palette to be fairly muted, so I'm coming in with a soft succulent to add on this lovely greenery. I really like the shape of these leaves. I like the way they tuck in and they curve around the flowers. So then I decided that it needed some more yellow, so there's some really tiny little flowers in this stamp set. So I'm using these just to add to the leaves, just to incorporate that colour a bit more. And then coming in with the soft succulent again and just adding some more leaves tucked into around the flowers. Giving it a good splatter with the Balmy Blue, lots and lots of splatter, hitting it against my block to create that lovely effect onto the card. And then using my baby blending brush, I just decided to use a smaller one because I needed another blue one, and it's just great for doing those corners and creating a vignette look. Then coming in with the lovely wood grain embossing folder. I should have taken my time more to align this a bit better. It's slightly off. But anyway, here you can see the lovely wood grain effect. Now, it's lovely as it is, but I just wanted this to show up a bit more. So I'm actually coming in with a blending brush that has got a bit of brown left on it from previous inking. And I'm not adding any more colour to my brush, but I'm just using what's on there to create a more vintagey effect and to really highlight those wood grain effects. And then I thought I'd be brave and just run down the grout of the planks and draw lines where the gaps are. Now, in hindsight, I should have stopped just there before running straight through the flowers. And after I'd done this, I was like, I'm not sure if I like it. What have I done? But I thought, well, let's just keep on adding and see if we can still use it. So I decided to add some ribbon and some other accessories on here to make it look better. I don't know if it would have looked better with stopping at the flowers or not. And then I had fun trying to tie a double bow. And then I'm introducing these little, I can't remember what these little flowers are called. They're the little foamy flowers that come in the yellow and the white. I picked out the white ones, the yellow ones look quite bright against the card. So these made perfect little centres to my blue flowers, and it helps to distract your eye from any detail from the rest of the card. So carefully rolling and trying to shape my glue dot, and these are going to go on the back of these gorgeous dragonfly trinkets here, and just popping them on the wings to be able to stick onto my card. A fiddle faffle later, it then lands on the card. Then I'm coming in and adding some more embellishment to the card, using up these lovely faceted embellishments to match the colours. And this is new to me, something fancy stamp set. It's got this gorgeous happy birthday and a nice sort of modern font. So just testing it out, make sure I got it on the right way. I haven't even had a chance to add the stickers on the back, so I was just going ahead and adding it to this tiny strip of balmy blue to match the card and the ink. So tone on tone using balmy blue ink on balmy blue card. And then I was originally going to stick it on top of this ribbon bit here, and then I thought, does it look better skew if like this? And then I thought it could go up there, and I thought, no, it goes directly where the bow's going to go. So I decided over here in the top right corner would be a better match to balance out the rest of the card. So I'm just tucking it underneath the dragonfly's body, and that's all ready now to go ahead and stick onto my balmy blue base. Lots and lots of sprinkle of wink. It just kind of needed it just to bring it to life, and then add some detail into the actual flowers themselves as well to add some extra sparkle. Then I decided, while I've got my stamps out, I might as well quickly just knock up the insert. So I'm just using the stamps that I had out already from the card. And I just think if you stamp the insert, it kind of just shows the extra thought that's gone into it. And it just, it's for a birthday card. So I will just, take time to add a bit more on. So that's going on the inside of the card like so. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed today's embossing folder technique. A bit different for me. I don't think I've ever tried this before. Will I not go through the flowers next time? I don't know. I quite like the overall look. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments below. Please do follow along with the hop and find out what everyone else has done under the theme of embossing. Take care. Have a good day.